everybody, and welcome to Tasty Truth. And today we're making jalapeno chili cheeseburgers. I really can't be bothered to read out all those ingredients, so I hope you paused it and took note. Right, let's get mixing. And in goes all the ingredients. Oh, that's a great move. And the chili's gone in. Let's see what kind of stirring action she can do. Hold on a minute, we forgot the coriander. Fantastic. Look at the greenery on that. And in goes the Dijon mustard. Love a bit of mustard personally. And away she goes. Look at the technique involved. As you can see, she's spinning the bowl. Getting it all mixed in. Wonderful. And look how tasty that looks. You don't want to eat it raw though, we've got to cook it, remember that. And in goes the salt. And it's not just any salt, it's special pink salt. And when there's salt, there's always pepper. And that's beautifully done, like little black snowdrops. And this technique is spot on here. Great movement, great turning. Don't forget those crumbs. There we go, beautiful. Oh, and she's picked some mixture up here. And this could be exciting. She's working it with her hands. And down it goes on the board, and that's one. And here we go. This could be number two. And it is. And there's an opportunity for number three. She wants a bit more, getting slightly greedy. But there she goes, moulding it exactly the same way, and there's three. And this is four. According to the instructions, it says 4 balls, but it looks like she's gone wrong slightly, and there could be 5. So that's a contradiction there. But I just suggest you ignore that and just stick with 4, if possible. But let's see what she does with this last ball. Slightly smaller. So we've got a contradiction, guys, but we'll move on. We'll move on. That's very gentle patting. And as if by magic, the 4 has turned into 2. So now we've got 2 burgers. Slightly confusing, but I suggest that she's opted to go for the 2 large ones. Or what's this? Nobody said anything about any special equipment. What kind of contraption is this? Oh, it's a burger press. Well, I haven't got one of those. I'll be using my hands. But I must say, it comes out really, really good. And there's number 2. Gently does it. Great move. It's like a twin burger, almost identical. Beautiful. Let's get a nice close look on them burgers. They look pretty good to me. And here we go for the second half now. burgers straight in the pan. That's one down. And that's two. And this is looking good, sizzling away. It says for 5 to 7 minutes each side. And what kind of technique she's going to adopt here for the flip over? Oh, she's gone for the hand. The cradled hand. That's a great move. And does she need assistance with? Yes, she does. And that's another good flip. So 2 good flips in a row. As she pats them down with love, almost coaxing them to release their juices. And once again, as if by magic, the burgers are almost cooked, but here goes the cheddar. And I'm told this is mature. And that cheddar now is just hugging those burgers like a warm blanket on a winter's night. As she slides them to the back, there's an opportunity possibly to get some brioche in here, but she needs to work quickly. And there goes the brioche number 1. This could be the record. We've got 2 in here. That's 3. Can we get 4? Yes, we can. So we've got the 2 burgers, 4 brioches, and here's a piece of wood with a hole in it. So I wouldn't use that as a boat because you'll probably sink. But at the moment we're not using it as a boat, it's obviously some sort of platter. And there's some coriander, I think that is. No, it's not, it's rocket. I've been advised I've got it wrong. Once again, not the first time. But there goes the rocket, a nice better rocket. And what's she going to do here? Because time is ticking. And here comes the first burger. And it's landed perfectly. And the second one, just as quick, just as nimble. And there you have it, people. Jalapenos on top. She nearly lost one there. She's got to be very careful on the edge. But that is great placement, and that's what it's all about. Magnificent. There's a few more on that left one though. We need balance in cooking sometimes, so let's keep it even. And here she goes now with the mayonnaise, and that's a very delicate push on the first one. Let's see how she copes with the second. Well, there's lashings of mayo on that one. Oh, and that's a bit more sturdy. Use 2 hands, and there we go, guys. Our special jalapeno chili cheeseburgers. Enjoy.